blend mo rin shade, like shade na color in the page or yan.
Now, since my favorite color is yellow.
Okay, so
And so, ayun, naka-yellow ako. And I like this specific yellow.
Okay.
I think it's the in thing now this summer, bottle
Yeah.
yellow. I'm seeing it everywhere and I'm so happy because yellow's my favorite color. So sabi ko, yes, finally it's my time to shine. Nilabas ko na lahat ng yellow na gamit ko. So yeah.
How long did it take you to figure out what to wear? Especially in this day and free hot.
Oh gosh. Now, I think it's easier kasi konti na lang parang shorts, shirt, okay, I'm good to go. Especially with pant shop. Parang yung shorts nila, ang ganda ng cut, ang ganda ng fit. So it looks more put together even though yung piece itself is very fashionable.
Thank you. Cassie, how do you define fun, fearless, and forward? How do you define being a fun, fearless, forward person?
Oh, what? Sorry?
A fun, fearless, and forward.
Yun yung slogan kasi ni Cosmo. So, how can you relate to that?
Ooh.
Can I define? Someone who's authentically themselves and not afraid to show people.
Is there a fan shop outfit that you have kept in your closet through these years and up till now you're still wearing it?
Oh my gosh,
First
yes.
one, what is it?
There's this shirt that I have from the very, very first dress code French shop collection. So, kinabahalang it's the pink shirt. I wore it in my first campaign ever with French shop. Pink shirt siya, na may pocket. Parang medyo drop siya. I still have it till this day. And I still use it when I go out, when I run errands, when I go to tapings, sa mga shoots ko. And I can't let it go. I can't. Because it's a staple talaga. For me, ang ganda ng fit, ang ganda ng color sa akin. So, I can't let it go. I love it talaga. Thank you. If I'm being honest, I think everyone, whoever I see, kahit sa street, online, anyone from anywhere, I take inspiration. And I just add it to my wardrobe. I was okay, bumuha lang kasi may gagawin ko. Okay, I'm gonna let it go to that. Tapos, sometimes I copy and I take inspiration. Anyway, everyone around.
You mentioned kayo na being fit influencers. How did you become fit? Ano yung
I think, I think the usual answer is diet. And I thought that was the answer. Oh my God. I realize now it's the mindset. I changed my mindset to, okay, I'm gonna focus on my health instead of, ay, kailangan skinny, I need to fit into the standard. When I put all of that away and focus on my health, I have no idea what happened. Bigla ko tumayhat, I don't know how. But there, parang I just made healthier choices and I think I took care of myself.
Cassie,
In terms of fashion, what do you think defines summer 2025?
Summer 2025, I think is the summer where you get to really have fun and be yourself. Parang this is the kind of summer where you get to explore yourself with, hang out with your friends or travel to different places. Parang, I think I would like to say this summer is like my experimental era. So I'm trying new things, new styles, new looks, and all of that.
Thank you very much. Ano yung go-to mo? Plain or floral?
Oh my. Oh! Ang hirap! Kasi may timpla ako eh. So pag naka-print ako dito, print lang. Hindi possible na print or lang. Sabi ko ganun. So, I can't. Pero, fine. Go for floral.
Cassie, what's your fashion no-no or fashion must-have?
Oh my God.
Something you will not wear and something you'd love to wear.
Fashion logos. Oh my. Fashion no something that I'm not comfortable wearing at all. Kahit na, ay, ang ganda mo tignan, ang ganda, I love it. If I don't like what I'm wearing, I'm not gonna wear it at all. Ay, hindi ko kayang i-post or pilitin. And then a fashion must have, very specific to, pero barrel jeans. Very specific siya. I love a certain type of slouch sa jeans. Tapos may specific, super OC ako sa jeans, pero it needs to hit below the belly button. Super specific ako sa jeans. So, yun.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I love it.